What we do here is go back.
What up, y'all? It's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. And today I'm doing something a little bit different. I am doing a taste test for you because it's been a hot minute since we've done one of those on the channel. Recently, I have decided to move away from nut-based, plant-based milks and try something a little bit different. For the past 2 weeks, I've been trying oat milk and I really enjoyed it. When I went grocery shopping this week, I decided I would venture out and I would try flax milk. And honestly, I was not super excited to try it because it's flax milk. But this is the brand Good Karma. It is free of dairy, lactose, nuts, soy, and gluten. I got the vanilla flavor. I usually choose vanilla plant-based milks, so I didn't switch that part up. And yeah, if you guys know any other good flax milks I should try, or you have a milk alternative that you think is really good, let me know in the comment section below. And so let's get into this taste test. Okay, struggling. Okay, so I don't know if y'all can see that. There we go, color. Doesn't smell like anything. And let's go for taste. Tastes like plant-based milk. I mean, it's got that little aftertaste that I think most resembles soy milk. I don't know, it's been a really long time since I had soy milk, so I don't know. But oh, and it's what the small yays do, they little wine glass. I mean, it has a strong aftertaste. I actually tried it with some cereal and it wasn't noticeable at all. So only if you're drinking this straight. I think it's actually gonna be a really nice compliment. All right, you guys, that's it for my little taste test. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.